Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to activate Google Pay and connect it to your Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store and then go to your Shopify dashboard. After that, from the bottom left corner, click on the settings button. And now when the settings page is open, click on the payments button from all the left options. After selecting the payments option, you have to click the manage button that is under Shopify payments. After clicking on the manage button, this page will open and then you have to scroll down and select Google Pay in your wallet option. You have to check mark it and then click on the save button. After that, you have to open your website, and then on the card there you can see the Google Pay option will be activated. So that's how you will connect Google Pay to your Shopify store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.